What's up everybody and welcome to another video. I got a new lens on the camera, so I hope you enjoy this much wider angle of view, and I hope it is much more stabilized as I hold it with my hand and do the vlogging stuff. Today we're back with the Miata go-kart, or kart car as I started calling it a few videos ago. Cutting more things off the car just to clean it up and make it look a little nicer. And redoing this sidebar finally, hopefully finishing the bash bar. So there's a few things planned today. I hope we get some of it done. I'm gonna start with cutting this bar off the car just because it's not even welded in, it's just tacked in. But let's get started. Hey guys, before I actually start the video, I would like to give a shout out to Jay, who actually made music for this video. So shout out to him, thank you very much for making my music. You guys can check out the links in the description to contact him, and he would gladly make music for you as well. And he's also going to be in my featured channels on YouTube for a little bit. If you guys are interested, check out his YouTube channel. It's also listed in the description, as well as my featured channels on YouTube. Hope you enjoy the video. So I turned the lights off a while ago, and I've been working on this, but I don't have a grinding wheel that's new because this one is, well, this is a cutting wheel on an angle grinder, and it's tiny. Look at that. Whatever is left of it is not much. All right, so I can't cut anymore, and the saw blade is dull, so I can't cut anymore. I'm currently waiting for Caleb. I got you.
No, thank you. It's really hard, actually. Come on, Audrey.
You're not gonna help your girlfriend? I got you, Audrey.
No.
She's
my
Audrey,
girlfriend.
who do you want to help you? Pick one.
She's not gonna
pick any.
Yeah, fuck.
Alright, let's get working on the car. So after a few hours of hard work, I managed to cut out that piece. So basically guys, I cut everything out here. I still need to clean up this part. Unfortunately, I wasn't filming just because I wanted to get it done, and it's not very interesting to watch. It's just cutting. This needs to be cleaned up as well, and it's only one side. There's a lot of rust and a lot of metal dust flying around here, and it's pretty bad. I think it looks much better like this. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I've seen pictures of Miatas without this side piece. Kale has showed me that, and I thought it will look really nice, so that's why I did that. I'm pretty much done with the first side of the Miata, and that looks like that. Everything is cut out, everything I don't need. I'm gonna need to clean that up, but I'm gonna do it with the grinder itself. So I'm moving up to the second side. Right or not? People are playing music really loud in the shop, and I've been working. I don't even know if my face is dirty or not, but I did cut the second side off the Miata bottom part off. It's completely gone now. It's perfect. It took me much less time than the first one because I knew where to cut, how to cut. It went so much more better. So much better. More is not needed. From this point, I'm going to be waiting for Caleb to help me bend the bars, weld the bars for the bash bar and for the side door bar. Once again, thank you for sticking around and watching the video. If you are right here and you made it this far without clicking away, comment sausages. Yeah, sausages.
I need my fireball shooter!
We are back from getting
Where's the
food.
fireball shooter?
Everyone's getting crazy a little bit at the shop because we have people over. But we are finally working on bending this pipe. Caleb is gonna bend my pipes, and we're gonna make it work. So we're doing the door bar now. He's gonna bend it for me. I'm gonna try to notch it, and we're gonna try to weld it today. And while I do that,
This one sucks to notch, by the way.
it does, I know.
Because the notches aren't straight. They have to be like crooked.
Well, I'll make it work, I'm sure. I hope. What is happening?
Oh, the pipe is blowing hose, dude!
That's crazy. I wonder how that happened. I did the notching. I didn't do the greatest job, but this side is perfect. This side has a little bit of a gap, which Caleb, I think, can fill. We kind of readjusted it right now. I think it'll be fine. We did one bend on one side of the lower bar for the bash bar. It looks pretty good. It's really close to the wheel, to the tire.
Shall we turn it?
Yeah, we can do it. It's so close, but it's not gonna touch. So I think we're gonna send it this way. Fitment.
Stance Nation.
Looks really good. All we have to do is just do the other side, and just because the night is coming to the end, we're probably just gonna not do anything but the bend on the other side. The door bar over there looks really cool. We purposely made it uneven, so it's like on the passenger side it's a little higher specifically so the passenger doesn't like fall out.
Yeah! Good job!
Yay. It's kind of cool, yeah, but
At the same time, it's also a lot. I don't know.
That's it for this video. Leave a like if you liked it, leave a dislike if you didn't. Actually, I don't know.
Yeah, actually, fuck you. Don't do dislike.
Yeah, don't dislike my videos. That makes me upset.
You little bitch.
This is gonna be it for this video. I really appreciate you all watching. Thank you for subscribing if you're new. And also, if you're new and you're not subscribed, consider subscribing because it helps a lot. Today we did the sidebar, the door bar. We bent the lower pipe for the bash bar, and I cleaned up a little bit on the car itself, on the bottom. As you guys can see, I've already freaking showed it. Anyway, once again, thank you all so much for watching. Leave a like if you liked it. And that's it. Don't leave any dislikes. Peace out. I love you all. See you in the next video. Stay positive. Hey guys, I just wanted to apologize that the video is really short. I will improve next video. I hope you still enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did. And leave a like anyway. Goodbye.